to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju, and do you know what we will be drawing today? We will be drawing, here's the noise that the character makes. Okay, try to catch it. If you didn't catch it, I will tell you. The character is Peppa Pig. Today we're going to be drawing Peppa Pig. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So first we're going to draw a simple shape. It's kind of like a C, but it's going to turn into a G. Like you see, that's the C shape. And it's going to turn into a G like that. You could bring it in. See that? And now, starting from here, up here, you are going to draw a line like that. And starting from here, you can draw another curve like that to there. Now, we're going to draw an oval shape like that. Now let's draw her nostrils. So one nostril and two nostrils, like that. Now let's draw her eyes. So one, and to make her second eye, we're gonna make it like kind of, cross, like that. You see, like it's cross. Now let's draw her pupils. I'm gonna make Peppa Pig looking right at me. Like, hi, how are you? Now let's draw her blush on her cheek. Her blush is a lot bigger than her eyes. So here we go, Peppa Pig's blush on her cheek. You see, that's much bigger than her eyes. Now let's draw her smile. Of course, Peppa Pig needs a smile. What will she do without her smile? So from the blush, we're gonna give like a little space and draw her smile like that. It is so cute. She's like smiling right at me. Now let's draw her ears. They're gonna be long. And we can give a little gap. And another long one. Now let's draw her dress. So here we go, Peppa Pig's dress. Okay, so it's kind of like a curve. And now let's do another curve like that. Big dress. Now let's just give it kind of like a curve to the inside and attach like that. See? You can look at that curl there. Now let's draw her legs. So here we go. So there's like straight lines right next to each other, like closer, you see? Now let's draw her shoes. So in the end, when you get over there, you have to draw a straight line. So don't forget that. She's like walking and look at me with her family, like George, Mama Pig, and Peppa Pig. Now, let's draw her arms. So here we go, Peppa Pig's arms. So here we go. That's her fingers. Now let's draw the same exact way, like that. So you see, that is Peppa Pig. So what is Peppa Pig missing? Of course, her tail. So let's draw her tail. It goes up and loop-de-loop. Like that. Now, it's time to color Peppa Pig. So first I'm going to color her dress red. Now, let's draw or color. So, color, red. Of course, Peppa Pig's color is red. Okay, so color. Okay, so here we go. Color, 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 and color. Now let's color in the inside of her dress. It's like her dress is like appearing from nowhere. Coming in from nowhere. Like so. Okay, so keep coloring. Her dress is done. It's so beautiful. Now let's color in her pink face and legs. So here we go, coloring pink. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna start out with her legs. I'm gonna color this type of pink. So cool. So now let's go into her face. I'm gonna start out with her ears. Her ears. Nice. I'm gonna color in the borders first. Oh, don't forget to color in the snout. Oh, by the way, do not color in her blush. We have another color for the blush. Peppa Pig's blush is a little darker than her skin. Keep coloring. Whew. Now we finished the borders. Now let's start by her legs. So, see that? Now let's finish. Whew, my hands are already hurting. And she's done. So now let's color in her blush. This color, which I'm using right here. So let's color in. And done. Finally, we're gonna color her shoes black. You can color her shoes red if you need to. Okay, so this is our Peppa Pig. Okay, I can't remember anymore, so yeah. So she's jolly. I really like her color of her blush. It's a glowing pink. And yeah, it is so cute. So kids, I hope you tried this drawing out. So, hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!